Hello friends, welcome to the Techlizen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Sapphire Radeon RX 7900 GRE series. So friends, Sapphire has unveiled its new range of graphics card, including the NITRO Plus AMD Radeon RX 7900 GRE, which is built on the advanced AMD RDNA architecture, and these cards are designed to deliver high performance for both gaming and creative applications. The Nitro Plus model incorporates premium components and sophisticated cooling solution within a durable, cold-rolled steel frame, ensuring efficient heat dissipation for a quiet and stable gaming experience. And friend, the Nitro Plus AMD Radeon RX 7900 GRE graphics card is optimized for 4K gaming and features an advanced cooling system, high-quality components, and a robust design. It includes 80 computer nits, 5120 stream processor, boost clock of up to 2391 MHz and game clock of up to 2052 MHz. The card is equipped with 16 GB of GDDR6 memory with a speed of up to 18 Gbps and 64 MB of AMD Infinity Cache. Connectivity options include 2 HDMI 2.1, 2 DisplayPort 2.1 port and supporting up to 4 displays. The card's cooling efficiency is enhanced by Tri-X cooling technology, which uses 3 large fans and V-shaped cooling module to direct airflow around the GPU. Optimized composite heat pipes ensure even heat distribution, while the angular velocity fan blade design minimizes noise. The VRM cooling module and 14-layer high thermal grade PCB with 2 OZ copper layers contribute to the card's thermal management and stability. Additional features of the Nitro Plus series include the Quick Connect fan for easy maintenance, Assistive System Fan Control for improved heat exclusion, and Dual BIOS for flexible firmware management. And you can customize the card's aesthetic with the ARGB light bar and backplate, and the graphics card supporter is included for additional stability. The pure variant offers a white color theme with similar technical specification and cooling technology, emphasizing a clean aesthetic with the red LED Sapphire logo, and the false variant is targeted at everyday gamers, maintaining the same base architecture but with slightly different clock speed and design assets. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment. So friends, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.